The following illustrations depict the control panels found on the Ingenium LX. Upon inspection of the control panel, the first thing you will notice is the battery is currently in the off position. This switch is simple to operate, simply turn to System Enable. Once you have done this, you will notice that you have an off, charge only, and an on switch. All you need to do is flick this into the on position. The system will take a couple of seconds before it turns on. So please be patient. A loud click will tell you when the system is on. Once you have done this, unlike the power cube, there is no inlet breakers. They have been replaced with LED lights to indicate when there is an input shown. To get your site live, you simply need to flick the breakers into the up position. And that's it. If you have any further questions, please speak to a member of our technical team.